let's take a moment to talk about auras. Auras are your energetic signature. It is what is given off to others when you enter a room before you even speak. And we're specifically going to talk about generator and manifesting generator energy because you have such an open and enveloping type of energy aura. You magnetize abundance, freedom, opportunities, people to you only when it is a yes for you, and only when it is a full body yes. When you have that sacral feeling that is a yes, a full body yes, that is when you are the most magnetic and when people are most drawn into your world. So if you haven't already, make sure you grab that pre-sale price for my limitless Intro to Human Design online masterclass. It does go up. This is only available for a very limited time, and it is going up in price afterwards. When you join us live, you will also get a freebie where we talk about your auras in it. So if you want to get that freebie, make sure you join us live next Wednesday